Students, in today's lecture, we will be taking problem number 8 on page 60. So open your textbooks or you can see it on the screen. Problem number 8, page 60. Nana and Nani are partners in partnership firm sharing profits and losses equally. You are required to give effects of adjustments in profit and loss account and balance sheet with the help of the following information. Now when I'm reading, I hope you have seen that they have said only profit and loss account and balance sheet, no trading account. Now, trial balance as on 31st March 2019. Look at the debit balances. We have insurance, land and building. Below that, it is written addition of rupees 20,000 with effect from 1st July 2018. Now, I will explain this when we are doing the adjustment. Next is salaries, export duty, interest, furniture, debtors. Come to the credit balances. First, you have the capital account of the two partners. 10% bank loan taken on 1st October 2018. Now, this is the liability. Now, next given is interest. It is only given interest, make the correction over there. It is interest due on above loan. Interest due on above loan, make the correction. And then you have bills payable. So when we have gone through the trial balance, we do not find any balances of trading account. So we only prepare profit and loss account and balance sheet. So now come to the adjustments. You have to mark the adjustments. First given to you is gross profit amounted to rupees 34,500. So that we will write in profit and loss account. Second, insurance paid for 15 months with effect from 1st April 2018. So mark insurance in the trial balance. Third adjustment, depreciate land and building at 10% per annum and furniture at 5% per annum. So take on the debit balance, it's land and building and furniture. Next is write off 1,000 for bad debts and maintain RDD at 5% on sundry debtors. So mark sundry debtors. Two adjustments there. One is bad debts, the other is RDD. So double tick. And then closing stock is valued at rupees 34,500. So that we will do it while doing the adjustment. Now you will take your notebooks. In the notebook, take the double page, write down in the books of Nana and Nani. Always first write down in the books of whoever's books you are preparing the account. So in the books of Nana and Nani here. Now when you're writing next, do not write trading account because they have asked us only profit and loss account. So write profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Indicate debit, credit. And then credit side, you can write there by gross profit brought down. That is the first balance on the credit side. So write by gross profit brought down. On the next page, draw the balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Liabilities, assets, two amount columns. Leave place for capital, 3 to 4 lines for each capital account. Okay, we now begin with the debit balances. So first is insurance, indirect expense. So you will debit profit and loss account. Now this has got an adjustment, so you will write the amount in the inner column. To insurance, 15,000. Leave one line there for adjustment. Next is land and building. Land and building is an asset. So come to the asset side. Again, write in the inner column, land and building 50,000. Leave one line there for adjustment. Salaries, indirect expense, debit profit and loss account to salaries, 5,000. Export duty, again debit profit and loss account to export duty, 2,500. Interest, again it is given on the debit, so it is an expense to interest, 1,000. Furniture, furniture is an asset. So come to the asset side of the balance sheet. Write furniture, 40,000 in the inner column. It has got an adjustment. We have done the marking. So leave one line for adjustment. And then debtors. So debtors, again asset. In the inner column, it has two adjustments. Leave 3 lines for those adjustments. So we have finished with the debit balances. Come to the credit balances. First given to you is the capital of the two partners. So write capital, below that write Nana, 50,000, leave 3-4 lines. Then write Nani, 50,000. Then is 10% bank loan, which is a liability. So 10% bank loan, 30,000. Then they have given you interest due on the above loan. So they've already calculated the interest and they have given. So write interest, outstanding interest, 1,500. Bills payable, liability, 8,000. So we have finished credit balances as well. Problem looks very small, but with the adjustments, you can see that there are many calculations there. So I hope everybody is finished with the trial balance posting. Now we come to the adjustments. First adjustment given to us, gross profit amounted to rupees 34,500. So here where will we write it? Credit side of profit and loss account. We have written there by gross profit brought down, 34,500. One effect is already shown in trading account, which we don't have to prepare. So we show only one effect. Now second, insurance paid for 15 months with effect from 1st April 2018. Now we have done a similar adjustment of insurance in one of the problems. So this also is similar. Now see the amount of insurance. It is 15,000. It is paid for 15 months and they have given us the date from when it is paid. Okay, so it is paid right from the beginning of the year. So we take only what is pertaining to this financial year. So 15,000, see the working there, 15,000 divided by 15. So you will get 1,000. That 1,000 is for per month. For 1 month, it is 1,000. We are taking only for 12 months. So 15 months means 3 months it is prepaid. So for 12 months, it will be 12,000. 12 into 1 is 1,000 is 12,000. For 3 months, it will be 3,000. That is 3 months into 3 into 1,000. That is 3,000, which is prepaid. Since they have given us the date from when it is taken, insurance companies sometimes, now that there was an adjustment, that problem number 9, where the adjustment says insurance was paid up to 30th June. Now we don't know the date of when the insurance company's financial year is. So we have paid. So there is a different calculation to be done. But when they give you from 1st April, then you calculate it this way. So prepaid, first effect will be to deduct from the expense. On the debit side of profit and loss account, write less prepaid 3,000. Deduct, take the figure to the outer column. That is 12,000. Now second effect of prepaid will come on the asset side of the balance sheet. So come to the asset side. I hope you have left 3 lines there for debtor adjustment. Write prepaid insurance 3,000. Okay. Next, depreciate land and building at 10% per annum. Now this is a big adjustment. Look at the trial balance. See the amount. Land and building given is 50,000. But in bracket, they are saying addition of 20,000 with effect from 1st July 2018. Now, total amount of land and building is 50,000. Out of this, 20,000 was purchased. Okay, so you have to break this up. 20,000 is the new building and remaining 50 minus 20 is 30,000 is the old. So on the old, you have to charge full depreciation. We have studied depreciation in standard 11, both the methods, fixed installment method, reducing balance method, and we have done such problems. Okay, but you must have forgotten. So we are again showing you the working year. So that 50,000 is split into old and new. So you know the new, they have given you new is 20,000. So if you subtract 20,000 from 50,000, it becomes 30,000. Now how will you charge the depreciation? On the old, they have given you land and building depreciate at 10%. So the old 30,000 at the rate of 10%. So that amounts to 3,000. Since that old machinery is there for the full year, you will charge depreciation for the full amount. Now come to the new one. New is 20,000. Now when is this new purchased? On 1st July 2018. The rate is 10%. So from 1st July to 31st March, it comes to 9 months. Okay. So you will take depreciation on the new building for 9 months. So look at the calculation, 20,000 at the rate of 10% for 9 months. So 9 upon 12. So how much does that come to? You can see the working there. So it is 1500. Now add up the two, the total depreciation will be 4500. It's 3000 plus 1500, so it is 4500. Now you will write it on the asset side, less depreciation, 4500. Now if you had to take straight away 10% on 50,000, it would be 5,000, which is wrong. So you have to split it into old and new and then find out the depreciation. Second effect of depreciation will come debit profit and loss account to depreciation, land and building 4,500. We have one more asset to be depreciated, that is furniture at 5%. So now straight away, less depreciation, take furniture, $40,000. $40,000 at the rate of 5%. That is for the full year. So 5%, so that will come to 2,000. Okay. So now you will write less depreciation 2,000. Deduct the depreciation, take it to the outer column 38,000. And second effect now will come again on the debit side of profit and loss account. Below write furniture 2,000. Two assets are there, so we have written it in the inner column. Take the total to the outer column, 6,500. Next adjustment. Write off rupees 1,000 for bad debts and maintain RDD at 5% on sundry debtors. So first we take the first part, write off 1,000 for bad debts. So take your debtors, first deduct the bad debts. So write less bad debts 1,000. Deduct and write in the inner column 25,000. First effect of bad debts, deduct from debtors. Second effect, it will come on the debit side of profit and loss account. Two bad debts, 1,000. Simultaneously, you have to give both the effects. So we have deducted bad debts. Now second part says RDD at 5% on sundry debtors. So now what is your debtors? It was 26,000 minus 1,000. So now remaining is 25,000. So take 25,000 into 5%. That will be your RDD. So it comes to 1,250. So what will you do? Less RDD, first effect, 1,250. And then take it to the outer column, 23,750. Second effect of RDD, again come to the debit side of profit and loss account, write to RDD 1,250. And now the last adjustment. Closing stock is valued at 34,500. Now this comes in each and every problem. First effect we show in the trading account credit side, but since we don't have the trading account, we don't have to prepare it. We show only the second effect, that is on the asset side. So come to the asset side, write closing stock 34,500. Okay, we have finished trial balance posting. We have finished with the adjustments. Now we will close profit and loss account. So look at the profit and loss account. You have only one figure on the credit side. So you need to take the total of the debit side and then compare which is greater. So credit side total greater, right, 34,500. Same total, right, on the debit side, 34,500. Now you will get net profit because the debit is less. So write to net profit. First find out the total net profit. So it's 5,250. If you see the first sentence of the problem, it says Nana and Nani are partners in partnership firm sharing profits and losses equally. So if it is equally, the net profit 5,250 divided by 2. So that amounts to 2,625. So I hope you've seen the calculation there. Total profit divided by 2. So Nana 2,625, Nani 2,625. Total is 5,250. Now what do we do with this net profit? Transfer it to capital account. Add it to the capitals of the partners. Nana 50,000 plus net profit 2,625, outer column 52,625. Same with Nani. Add net profit 2,625, outer column 52,625. Now take the totals of the liability and the asset side. Liabilities 1,44,750. Assets are also 1,44,750. So our balance sheet tallies. We have done with the problem. If you have any difficulties, you can message me and clear your doubts. Thank you.